Yeah. How about you guys? How you doing today?
Well, I think we're just fine. I can't complain.
Oh, good. All right, well, should we get started?
Welcome to BOOZHOO NANA BOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture too. Happy to be here today with you. Happy to speak Ojibwe with you. Welcome to BOOZHOO NANA BOOZHOO.
Hey everybody! Welcome back to the show! Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANA BOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and this is Nana BOOZHOO. So please welcome Nana BOOZHOO!
I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. Now you're my one, and you're my only regret. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. I used to sit up at night just so I could watch ya. I wrote on my bedroom wall, Nana BOOZHOO loves Natasha. Dum, ba-dum, 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 ba-dum. Pretty women out walking with gorillas down my street. From my window I'm staring while my coffee grows cold. Look over there, there is a lady that I used to know. She's married now or engaged or something, so I'm told. Is she really going out with him? Is she really gonna take him home tonight? Is she really going out with him? If my eyes don't deceive me, there's something going wrong around here. Around here. Tonight's a night when I go to all the parties down my street. I wash my hair and I kid myself, I look real smooth. Look over there, there is Jeannie with her new boyfriend. They say that looks don't count for much, well so there goes your proof. Is she really going out with him? Is she really gonna take him home tonight? Is she really going out with him? If my eyes don't deceive me, there's something going wrong around here. Around here. Around here. Something's going wrong around here. Something's going wrong around. You and I must make a pact. We must bring salvation back. Where there is love, I'll be there. Got my first real six-string, bought it at the 5 and dime, played it till my fingers bled. It was the summer of '85. Me and some guys from school had a band and we tried real hard. Joey quit, Timmy got married. Should have known that we'd never get far. Oh, when I look back now, that summer seemed to last forever. And if I had my choice, yeah, I'd always wanna be there. Those were the best days of my life. Ain't no use in complaining when you got a job to do. Standing round hanging by the drive-in, and that's when I met you. Standing on your mama's porch, you told me that you'd wait forever. And when you held my hand, I knew that it was now or never. Those were the best days of my life. Yeah, we were killing time, we were young and restless, we needed to unwind. I guess nothing can last forever, forever, no. La-dee-dee-dum. In the summer of '85. That was the summer of '85. Bum bum ba-dum ba-dum bum 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 ba-dum ba-dum bum 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 ba-dum ba-dum bum 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 ba-dum ba-dum bum. 10 years ago, on a cold dark night, someone was killed beneath the town hall light. There were few at not like me. She walks these hills in a long black veil. She visits my grave and the night winds wail. Nobody knows, nobody sees, nobody knows but me. We do another song?
Yeah, okay. How about this one? Ooh, child, things are gonna get easier. Ooh, child, things are gonna be brighter. Ooh, child, things are gonna get easier. Ooh, child, things are gonna be brighter. Someday we'll get it together, then we'll get it all done. Someday when your head is much lighter. Someday we'll walk in the rays of a beautiful sunrise. Someday when your head is much lighter.
Hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome back to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and on the guitar this morning is Natasha. Make a don BOOZHOO, sweetie. Say hello to the people. Say hello to the Anishinaabe.
BOOZHOO, Gakina! Hello, everyone! How you doing?
And, yeah. And so we're starting out bright and early today. So for the, the sun's just coming up. And, I thought it would be a good Ojibwe phrase of the day. Mino Giga Jeb.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Mino Giga Jeb. Mino Giga Jeb. Yeah. So, Mino Giga Jeb. Good morning. And I hope you do have a good morning. Are you having a good morning, sweetie?
Oh, yeah, I'm having a great morning. Are you having a good morning?
Every morning's good when I'm here with you. Heart beat fast, colors and promises. How to be brave, how can I love when I'm afraid to fall? But watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. Time stands still, beauty in all she is. I will be brave. I will not let anything take away what's standing in front of me. Every breath, every hour has come to this. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. All along I believed I would find you. Time has brought your heart to me, and I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. Oh, welcome to BOOZHOO NANA BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I'm happy to be here with you today to speak Ojibwe and learn about the language and culture. Dig, if you will, a picture of you and I engaged in a kiss. The sweat of your body covers me. Can, my darling, can you picture this? You will, a courtyard, an ocean of violets and blue. Animals strike curious poses. They feel the heat between me and you. Leave me standing alone in a world that's so cold. Maybe I'm just too demanding. Maybe I'm just like my father, too old. Maybe you're just like my mother. She's never satisfied. Why do we scream at each other? This is what it sounds like when doves cry. More convenient than a Tesco Express. Close to Windsor, but the property's less. The businesses of Britain great. It's got London's greatest trading estate. It doesn't matter where you're from. If you wanna work, then come along. The station just got a new floor. and the motorway runs by your door, and you know just where you're headed. It's equidistant between London and Reading. Whoa, Slough, my kind of town, I don't know how anyone could put you down. Slough, my kind of town, I don't know how anyone could put you down. To the west you got Hampton and Brain, you got Hillingdon the other way. It's a brilliant place to live and work. It was Yorkshire, officially it's Perth. Don't believe what the critics say, like it's boring, soulless and grey. Say for yourself what you waiting for. We're on Bath Road, that's the A4, and you know just where you're headed. It's equidistant between London and Reading. Whoa, Slough, my kind of town, I don't know how anyone could put you down. Slough, my kind of town, I don't know how anyone could put you down. Slough, my kind of town, I don't know how anyone could put you down. Slough, whoa, Slough. Maybe I hide and love you quite as often as I could have. Maybe I hide and treat you quite as good as I should have. And if I made you feel second best, girl, I'm sorry I was blind. You were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. Maybe I hide and hold you all those lonely, lonely nights. And I guess I never told you that I'm so happy that you're mine. Little things I should have said and done, I just never took the time. You were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. Tell me that your sweet love hasn't died. And give me one more chance to keep you satisfied. I'll keep you satisfied. Little things I should have said and done, I just never took the time. You were always on my mind. You were always on my mind.
stood there in the back of the church of a broken people, listening to the walking wounded tell their stories. My turn came and I told them my name. I said, this ain't my first time. But then a man started talking about the devil and the Bible was ruining my life. Last night on my breath, I stood up and said, it ain't the whiskey, it ain't the cigarettes, it ain't the stuff I smoke. It's all these things I can't forget. It ain't the hard times, it ain't the all night, it ain't that easy, it ain't the whiskey that's killing me, that's killing me, that's killing me. It ain't the whiskey, it ain't the whiskey. Oh, that's really cool, sweetie. Ladies and gentlemen, Natasha on the guitar, on the guitar. Oh, that's really pretty, sweetie.
Oh, thanks.
I used to sit up at night just so I could watch ya. I wrote on my bedroom wall, Nana Boozhoo loves Natasha.
Hey, everybody. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO,
Nana Boozhoo, the podcast.
about Ojibwe language and culture.
I am Nana Boozhoo.
And I am Natasha. And today, our Ojibwe word of the day
Is gotta be, of course, it's really great Ojibwe word of the day. We haven't talked about it yet.
I know. Every time we get this far, we set everything up, and then we haven't thought about what we should teach today.
They don't play it no more, but I remember a time in 1984
Salvation Army band played, and the children drank lemonade, and the morning lasted all day. But the bitters came out better on a stolen guitar. Now we were blessed like spiders from Mars. The bitters came out better on a stolen guitar. And how we were blessed like spiders from Mars. They say, they say. And he never would have waved goodbye. You could see it written through his eyes as the train rolled out the side of the station. And through an open window came, like Sinatra in a younger day, pushing the clouds away, all away. But the bitters came out better on a stolen guitar. And how we were blessed like spiders from Mars. The bitters came out better on a stolen guitar. And how we were blessed like spiders from Mars. They say, they say, they say, they say.
Winter 1963, felt like the world would freeze. It's John F. Kennedy and no baseball. And you have been watching BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and this is Nana BOOZHOO. And I will see you again. Gigawaba min, minawa. Hawa. Nana, do you remember? Nana, do you remember? In Ojibwe I say, for do you remember? Nana, do you remember? Do you remember? Oh, what?